So guys, again I am here with you, and today I have very interesting thing. It's better than Grok because I received some complaint. Grok after create some videos, it need to upgrade. Okay, so don't worry. See, after 24 hours, it's renew. Yani in one day you generate some videos, and after 24 hours again it will be renew, and you can create another 10 or 20 whatever videos you can create it. In Grok I am talking about. Okay, but today tools, it's totally free. So let's start, but before this, watch this clip. Today I am going to show you new tool for AI videos, short videos or the long videos, and this is again totally free. Okay, if you watch my videos before, so I show you how we can download or how we can sign in or sign up in Meta AI. So today I am going to show you Meta AI with free subscription, and you can create unlimited videos on it. Okay guys, so without wasting our time, let's start. So guys, the first thing, you have to open your ChatGPT, and here you have to write what do you want exactly. I want a story for 300 words, or yani it's depend on you which type of story, or long story, or so for now I am just because I don't want to make my video long, so I will write here create uh, create a 200 or 300 words story, or simply now because I am making a short, so any short story I am talking, I say create a 200 word horror story with consistent characters. Okay, and you will press enter, and the chat GPT will give you the story, the horror story, what you wrote it. Okay, just you have to wait a second, and now the story is ready. Okay guys, so story is ready. I just forget one thing. Here you can write in Pixar. Okay, you can create your own character, like this one. This is me, and I created the story, but now I am showing you just a short story, a simple way. Create a story with 200 words in Pixar. Okay, just wait. So once the story will finish, then we will convert into the scenes image prompt, and after that we will convert this story in the video prompt. Okay, so now our story is ready. Now this is our story. Okay, so now this is our script, but till now we have a script. Now we will give one more command to ChatGPT. I want per scene image prompt to create images. Okay, so it will divide into the scenes. Just we have to wait. So guys, these are our images prompt are ready. After that, we have to give another task to ChatGPT, and we have now, because we have to create the video, so we need the video prompt also. So I will write here, now give me these image prompt as for video. Okay, so now it will convert this into the video prompt. Now you can see, now the ChatGPT gave me the video prompt. Till here ChatGPT was finished. Now we will take this prompt and we will use in Meta AI. So I will show you how you will use it. So guys, now we come to the most important point, how we will use this prompt in Meta AI. So for this, you will open Google and you will write Meta AI. Okay, the first one you will click here on Meta AI, and here you will use your Gmail or whatever you have account. You will log in with it. Okay, suppose I click on sign up, and now I will give them which account I have to log in with Gmail, or if you want to connect with your Google account like in Grok. So the same thing you will use here. Just I click here. This is I connected already. Okay. Now it will open and you will find this type of screen. So the first thing what you have to do here, you have to create, you have to click on create. You see many options here and you see one option, create. Okay, now what will I do? I will come here, you can see here create image, leave it image. Here you have to choose 916 or 16:9, whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, now what will I do? So after you click on create it, you click on create it, then image. Now what you will do here, you will come here on your ChatGPT screen and you will take your first prompt, what we made it, you will copy from here and paste it here. Okay, just you have to wait now. See, your characters are here very quickly. Now there are 4 options. Which one you like it, you can choose. Suppose I like this one, I will click on it, and after clicking you will see there are different options for animate in which style you want your character, 3D or cartoon or collage or whatever. Suppose I make it 3D, so you can see now this character will change into the 3D character. Okay, now it is loading. Once it's finished, see guys, here now this character is ready. Okay guys, here you can see 2 options, animate and custom animation. Animate, I tell you what is the difference between. If you click on animate, so Meta AI will create automatically, it will generate the video, and custom animation, yani you will create the video. So what you have to do, you will go again in your ChatGPT and copy the first prompt. You will take it and paste it here. Okay, you paste this prompt. There is the audio option also. If you want to add any audio, so you can add it, your recording or whatever. Okay, so now guys, this image is ready to go for animation. Now I will click on animation. So I click on animate now, and it will animate within seconds. It will not take time. Guys, one more thing, and this is very important. It's also sometimes it depends on your internet. Yani how is your internet speed, and if your speed is good, so it doesn't take time. So guys, now your video is ready, and now we check the result. This is our video. You can see now. This is amazing result. We choose in different formats, so that's why it's showing us this cinematic or 3D or whatever you choose it. So it depends on you. Once you create it, you have to choose one, which type of video you want to create, and you saw there were the options. You want to create your story or video in 3D mode or whatever. So guys, so now we come on the most important part, how we will keep our character consistent. Okay, so for this, if you remember in Grok when I was teaching you, so there was the option, you just right click and copy frame, but you see there is no copy frame here. Okay, so there is another way to make the consistent character. What you have to do first, you will download this video. Okay, you download it, and after downloading you will open this video. So you downloaded the video and the video will come in your download folder. You can check now. This is your video. You can open the video. And now here what you have to do, you have to come on the last frame, yani end of your video. You have to come here and you will take the screenshot. Okay, you will take the screenshot for this last frame from here. Okay, what we will do, what you are doing in Grok, we were saving, right click and save the last video frame. Here we are going to take the screenshot. Okay, so once we will take the screenshot, it will come in our screenshots. Okay, so this screenshot you have to upload in where? Here you have to upload in Meta AI. So again I come here in Meta AI and I will come here create, but this time you will not choose image, you will choose video. Okay, you will upload the image, this one we took the screenshot. Okay, so once you upload this, then you will go again in the ChatGPT and from here you will take your second prompt and you will copy from here and paste here. Okay, click on animate. So guys, your second screenshot, the video clip was already ready. So this one also you will download it. Now we have two clips. So we will do the same thing. We will go to our download and here we will open our second video. We will do the same. You can see now that this will not show you, this is another clip. Yani the result will be same, everything will be same. When you will finish editing, then you will see the final result. I will show you. Now here also you will come in the last frame, again you will take the screenshot for this. Okay, then you will go to Meta AI. So it's out here. You can change the names if you want, so it will be easy for you when you will post number 2. Okay, so this one you have to again upload there in Meta AI. So again we are here in Meta AI, should be video. You will upload this one. I change the name to, I will click here and I will go to the ChatGPT and I will copy the third prompt. Okay, I copy this prompt, I will paste here and again animate. So our processing has been started. It will take few seconds. You can see now our third clip is ready. You can see this is our third clip. So I will download this one also. Now we have 3 clips. I am not doing more. Now you get the idea, you know how to do it. Now I will use the editing software, what editing software you are using, CapCut or Filmora or whatever. So now I open my editing software, which one is Filmora, and one by one I will put here. So you can see the result now. I make the screen big. I play. You can see the result is very good and it doesn't look like yani I made 2 clips separately or 3 clips separately. Okay, so I hope you understand each and everything. If you want to create the voiceover or if you want to put the audio, you can put in the video. You see, in the beginning I told you you need 9:16 or 16:9 whatever, so you can fix your screen as 15:9 or now is selected 16:9. If you select this one, so you can see the video is fit. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any question and inquiry, you can ask me, and if you did not like or subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel. Inshallah, in the next video, I will bring some new things, new tool, and I will try to solve any problem in Grok and this in next video. So guys, till the next video, take care. Bye.